You're not weird. You're just edgy. Okay.
You're cringe.
I'm cringe lover number 2.
Am I gonna have that one or?
That's mine, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate you. Back with another whiskey review, and with me here, I got my boy Cringe Lord, and we got a new guest, my boy SasSLord.
What's up?
And as you can see, we got 2 whiskeys, and we're gonna drink them.
Hey girl, you got really weird vibes. Hello. Swag.
All right, so today we got Johnnie Walker, a double black, because
Sale videos. No new content. No new content.
so why not double black?
$34.99.
$34.99, because I forgot. It's just a box,
On
stale
special.
box. It's on special. Don't say that. It looks the same as like the other black. Have you tried black? It was good.
We will.
You guys drinking in that light bulb?
It's my official whiskey review glass. You get that stupid pixelated flat earth. Looks like dehydrated pee. Smell it, guys. Smell it.
Smells like pee too.
Oh yeah, smell like pee.
I'm done with you though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Should we sip or is it?
Yeah. No, you like take a sip,
I
swivel it, and then.
I hate
But not chug, right?
No.
I'm done.
That's oaky. I like that.
It is strong.
That's oaky. Y'all can see by my test subjects, there's an alcohol.
It's fucking strong. It's fuck.
No what, dude?
No.
Damn, he chugged it.
Oh, you chugged it,
It's
dude.
crazy.
Yeah, so it's oaky. It's really oaky.
Shit.
There's a bit of a kick, right? There's a bit of a kick.
Shit.
Yeah.
And
This is weak shit.
all right, try it again. After the second one,
Mhm.
the alcohol burns like completely almost gone.
Oh, I trust.
Yeah, like it tastes better this time. Or not.
Tastes a little bit better. It's still really strong.
This is stronger than the last one. Yeah. The other
What do we have last? Oh yeah, this is definitely stronger. Well, not last
But
black label. I feel like it's because it's double black. It's double the kick.
shut up. Hey man.
Hey man.
That's good.
Oh,
Very good.
yeah.
That's alright, that's alright. We'll watch sad stories and like sad memes. Why do whiskeys? I'm pretty down right now.
You need a Roblox.
I need a Roblox GF so I can cheer up.
So you can still get.
So it's supposed to take off like the edge of the whiskey, so you're gonna get pure like flavor. What the fuck? What?
It takes off the edge.
Hey man, it is a stronger whiskey.
2 hours later.
Oh.
You might have to cut me out.
I was just kidding.
Yeah, I'll just get on the camera.
No, I'm
I'll
done.
be camera guy.
The hair in it.
Oh fuck, this is way too much.
That's strong.
That's way too much for me. You're right. I'm done.
That's strong. And then there was one. Just give it all swirl and twirl. It doesn't get better on ice. The strength of this whiskey stays the same throughout the whole thing. So Johnnie Walker Double Black, neat. It was oaky, it was strong, but it was nice. They couldn't handle the heat, I could. Because I'm a whiskey connoisseur, and that's what I do. So Johnnie Walker, neat. I'm gonna give it 8.5 out of 10. 8.5. On the ice, the ice chilled the kick, and it was good. So I'm gonna give that an 8.7, 0.2, 0.3. Very nice. And then with Coke, it was good. It was better than regular whiskey and Coke. So with that, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 20. And now here we go to the second whiskey, which is Knob Creek. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's really strong. It's really strong. the guy at the store said, "Hey, this whiskey is very nice. It's not that bad. It tastes great." Wrong. This whiskey is strong, but it's good. So with that, neat, I'm gonna give it a Lee. Because Lee died while drinking this whiskey. And on the rocks, I'm gonna give it a Roblox Lee. Because Lee couldn't handle neat, so he wouldn't handle on the ice. And for the last review, guys, this is what y'all been waiting for. Knob on the Creek and Coke. It's actually, honestly, it's really good. I'm gonna give it a pizza.
Better ingredients, better pizza, Papa John's.
With that, leave a like, subscribe, please. I hope y'all join me for the next one. Hopefully, we had some good goofs and gaffes here and there. I'll see y'all then. Peace out.